So here at the Southern Hemisphere Proving Grounds, we're a pretty unique operation, operating during the New Zealand winter, offering testing conditions like what you see behind us here for OEM manufacturers from all over the world. Basically, during the Northern Hemisphere summer, there's nowhere to do winter testing, so most of the global manufacturers will come down here. You know, it's a pretty unique location for fibre to be run to the middle of a mountain. We have a big array of international traffic. Every customer has a workshop they can basically use for whatever they want, so we need to make sure that we're sort of at the leading edge of what we're supplying to these guys. It's a big part of what we do, and I think that helps us a lot in the industry, and the people that we're dealing with is the can-do attitude of New Zealanders, and we like to pride ourselves on being the best in business, and so we need to make sure our infrastructure matches that.